All right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Back to work and did a few things today. I don't know why I was in a terrible mood. I was just not happy, but by the end of the day, I was back to normal, so I was really happy about that. But mainly today, I worked on pulling in this fire alarm wire into this fire alarm panel. I added this 1-inch conduit on the left side, drilled that 1-inch hole, put in the 1-inch connector, bent this 1-inch pipe with a little kick on it, 8-inch kick, and then pulled the wire through. Got someone to help me out because I was mainly just working by myself today, so I got an apprentice, grabbed an apprentice to help me pull the wire through this conduit. Basically, I had to go out into the hallway, so I had to get a containment cart. So I was inside working and he was outside watching the cart in case anyone came in and had to move it. But anyways, got the wire pulled in. You'll see that here in a second. And then after that, at the end of the day, I went ahead and relabeled these wires, cut them a little bit shorter. I still have to cut 2 of those shorter tomorrow because I didn't quite get them finished. But basically, there was 6 coils of wire sitting up here in the ceiling. Went ahead and just rolled those out, and we pulled those in. He helped me pull those down into the panel through the pipe. Added a little bridle ring right here, and then just put all 6 of those wires through my new pipe right here. Fire puttied it, called it a day. And also I went ahead upstairs into the one of the operating rooms, or the remodeling operating room or something like that, changing out the ceiling tiles in one of the operating rooms. So I went up there and changed out a smoke detector. This is not the exact smoke detector, but it gives you a general idea. Basically, there was a smoke detector already out of the ceiling, so I had to basically take it apart, and then they cut a ceiling tile for me. I put it back into the ceiling and then rehooked it up. So that's basically what I did up there. So I had to get all dressed up in the bunny suit and the hairnet and the shoe net thingies, the shoe booties, and then also worked on demoing these pipes right here, and that's pretty much all I worked on today. So it was a good day, and everything went smooth and nice. Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace. Love you guys.